In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Apple Music app on Android. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. First, you'll want to make sure your Android device is unlocked and ready. Unlock your phone or tablet now and then find the Google Play Store app. It's usually right there on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you have the Google Play Store open, you'll need to use the search bar at the top. Tap on that search bar to bring up your keyboard. Now type in Apple Music. This step is crucial because it directs you to the right app. Apple Music is the official music streaming service from Apple, and you want to ensure you're getting the correct applications. After typing in Apple Music, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the official Apple Music app published by Apple. This is the one with over 100 million downloads. Make sure it's the legitimate version, as this guarantees you'll have the best experience with all the features Apple Music offers on Android devices. Next up, you'll need to install the app. Tap on the install button you see on the app page. This will start downloading the app onto your device. Wait patiently as your device downloads and installs the app. This might take a little time depending on your internet speed, but rest assured it's worth the wait. Installing the app is essential because it allows you to access Apple Music's extensive library and features. Once the installation is complete, you should see an Open button. Tap on Open and this will launch the Apple Music app for the first time. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your existing Apple account, also known as your Apple ID, or if you're new to Apple Music, you can start a new subscription right from the app. This step is crucial because it gives you access to your music library, playlists, and more. Now that you have Apple Music installed, you can explore its features. From curated playlists to your favorite albums, Apple Music offers a wealth of content. You can also enjoy personalized recommendations based on your listening habits. This makes the app not just a music player, but a personalized music experience. Finally, keep in mind that having the Apple Music app on your Android device means you can enjoy your music on the go. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home, your music is always with you. Plus, with the app's offline mode, you can download tracks and listen without an internet connection. And just like that, you're ready to enjoy Apple Music on your Android device. This process not only sets you up to enjoy millions of songs, but it also ensures you have access to one of the best music streaming services available. Remember, having the right apps can truly enhance your mobile experience. Happy listening and enjoy the world of music at your fingertips.